Next we have Civil Connections by Kalpataru Institute of Technology, tip 2.
अरे एक्सक्यूज just come closer किती कोणाक लावला
क्या किया था बस गया ना
Next we have Team Ananta from Srinidhi University, Hyderabad. Next we have Zenni Saviors from SNIST Hyderabad. As well as Pumptronics from SNIST Hyderabad. A round of applause for our bronze category winners. Moving on to the silver category, we have Resist AI from Don Bosco College of Engineering, Mr. Samuel and team. Mr. Samuel and team for Resist AI. We also have AI Virtual Mouse by Don Bosco College of Engineering, Mr. Piyush. Mr. Piyush for AI Virtual Mouse.
What's your name? Vasuda. Congratulations.
Next we have AI-powered baby monitoring system by PCC and GEC, which was a joint collaboration, requesting Aditya and team to come forward. We have the Smart Interactive Digital Map by Spatial Craft, Miss Eunicia Vaz and team. Okay, moving forward, we have Safe Start by PES College of Engineering. Safe Start by PES College of Engineering. Next we have the AI-powered hexacopter for lifeguard assistance from Jain College of Engineering and Research. Moving forward, we have 4-5 from Srinidhi University, Hyderabad. Next, we have Vertex as well as Apex Group from SNIST Hyderabad. Vertex and Apex Group. A round of applause for all our silver category winners. We move on to the gold. We have Wind Tunnel by Don Bosco College of Engineering, Mr. Samuel Mascarenas. Next, we have the Arduino Sensor Trainer and PLC Trainer by Aloysius and Mr. Locksley. Please come forward. Both from Don Bosco College of Engineering.
Right. Correct that.
No, actually, they got 2 medals, 2 project sections. Together they received same team. Where are you from?
Next, we have design of M200 grade ultra high performance concrete for AM by Spatial Craft. Ms. Frida and Ms. Mushi. We have the Social Welfare Project by Mr. Harish Reddy and team.
Second project also.
Next, we have the solar panel cleaning robot by Mr. Venkatesh and team.
Efficiency will reduce. You let sir know after that. Well done.
Next, we have Identify a Next Gen QR Technology by Mr. Shreyas Chandra and team.
We got to innovate politically.
Which part of Bihar are you from? Come, let's come.
Next, we have Method for Non-Invasive Diagnosis of an Electrical Parking Brake System by London University of Technology.
Very good.
Next we have device for forming products by Loveland University of Technology. Device for forming products.
This is a patent innovation.
We also have trigger for crystallization of latent heat storage for LPG heater by Loveland University of Technology. We have biodegradable polymer composition and method wise production by Loveland University of Technology.
Patent pending.
Next we have Evacu-AR, revolutionary evacuation system by King John III School Complex.
And congrats. So the teacher is taking on behalf of us.
We also have seeable navigation and warning system by King John III.
The 2 points.
We have the innovative foldable sliding weights for tractors by Mr. Lukash and team.
Oh, they're not here.
Okay, this editor will collect their award on their behalf.
In absence, editor. You collect on their behalf.
Ah, so I'm the winner. I will just answer, I guess. Because I'm virus.
Not useful, not useful.
I just feel.
We have Echo by Srinidhi University, Hyderabad. Echo by Srinidhi University, Hyderabad. And a lineup of awards for SNIST Hyderabad, starting with Disaster Eye by Mr. Mohan Gutti and team. We have Pratyagni by Avikshit Kumar and team. Next we have Aurelis by Ravish and team. We have Urban X AI by Ravori and team. We also have Innov Earth by Mr. Chiranjeevi and team. Chiranjeevi and team.
This innovator is absent. Well, interest was.
Moisture Made by Mr. Adi Chaube. Moisture Made. A round of applause for all our gold category winners. All our gold category winners. We move on to the special awards, beginning with the Innovation Impact Leader Award to Dr. Shruti Chaube from Hyderabad. The Innovation Impact Leader Award. We have the IBS Global Special Award to EvacuAir Revolutionary Evacuation System from Poland. Also the IBS Global Special Award to Spatial Craft Goa. The IBS Global Special Award to Spatial Craft Goa.
Not special award.
We have the INEX Special Award for method for non-invasive diagnosis of an electrical parking brake system to Lublin University of Technology. We have the INEX Special Award to C-Able Poland. C-Able Poland. And the INEX Special Award to ZSC School Poland. ZSC. We have the Best National Innovation by Social Welfare Projects Karnataka. Best National Innovation Social Welfare Projects Karnataka.
Sir, Rohit sir, please come. Sir, sir.
Come this side, come this side.
We have the Best International Innovation going to trigger for crystallization of latent heat storage for LPG heater by Lublin University of Technology.
Yes,
And the INEX 2025 Grand Prix to biodegradable polymer composition and method for its production by Lublin University of Technology. We have the organizing team and also our lovely volunteers who have helped us over 3 days to set up this whole project. inviting our volunteers to receive certificates. Mr. Aryan, Ms. Dia, Mr. Aditya,
All the volunteers come. All the
Amol,
volunteers come.
Isha, Magala, Rudmai to come and receive their certificates.
Thanks for the support. You people have put us great job.
Okay. Just take in her, then you exchange it. You don't know his name.
He supported us.
Take it.
Let's stand together.
Guys, shall we all stand like a row? Do you think? Like a
Stand
step?
down. Stand down.
Can you stand there like a step? To take those photos. Okay. Great bunch of volunteers. Come.
और रेस्ट वॉलंटियर ये रहो लास्ट मोमेंट
Requesting the please to kindly take their seats.
माझी थोडं टेन्शन सीखे करता
Our chief guest, Shri Vijay Sardesai, has delighted us with his presence. I request him to address the gathering now.
It's a privilege and honor to be amongst you today at the India International Innovation and Invention Expo. This is not only an event, but it is a celebration of innovation, of your courage, of your imagination, and of thinking forward. See, innovation does not come from the comfort of, from any comfort. It is only when you have the courage to reimagine or the courage to question, which in the field that I'm in, politics, slowly that courage is diminishing. We don't question, we seem to be accepting everything. Even political innovations, we wanted to see yesterday. There is a group from Bihar. I expected a political innovation there, but the innovation was in some other form. That the results have come much more than the expectation of the bombastic protagonists of the ruling party. So the extent of innovation in manipulation of the results is also seen in India nowadays. So with such type of a thing, democracy is at stake. And when democracy is threatened, it is only the young, creative, imaginative minds who have the courage, the Gen Z, who can save India for the future. So you all are the problem solvers of today and perhaps the leaders who will build a better tomorrow. So I am very happy to be with you. Congratulate all the winners who have been here. I congratulate the Goa State Innovation Council for getting people as far as from Poland and bringing in some innovations which even to a layman like me sound to be practicable, required, because problem solving is important. We cannot just study and not solve the problems of today. We need to do that. So even though you may not have got the awards that you were expected, but if your creative minds have started a conversation, you have contributed to what our Prime Minister calls as Vikasit Bharat. If you have to make India developed, your minds, your creative minds have to be given encouragement. I congratulate the Goa State Innovation Council, our own Don Bosco College of Engineering, Mr. Norana, for taking this initiative for many years now. It is nice to be with you all, and whatever support that I can give. I am an opposition legislator. I can't do much at the moment, but certainly we'll try to do in the years to come, because we want also some new innovations by which people who think straight, people who are progressive, come together to give us a better tomorrow. So I congratulate everyone. I thank the organizers for inviting me, and all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking your time out to be with us here today. On behalf of the organizing committee of INEX 2025 and the host college, Don Bosco College of Engineering, on the behalf of our director, Reverend Father Wilfred Fernandez, I extend a heartfelt thanks to all our dignitaries, innovators, delegates, mentors, and industry leaders, and our global partners for making the 10th edition truly memorable. Thank you to our chief guest, Shri Vijay Sir Desai, the MLA of Vadodara constituency. Our appreciation goes out to the Goa State Innovation Council, Shri J.M. Narona and team, participating institutions, our judges, volunteers, and the tireless teams working behind the scenes. Thank you to IBS Global. Your dedication is what turns an event into experience. Thank you all. I hope you all have a nice day. I hope you all click many photographs with your certificates and your medals. And thank you so much for being here today.